The grip provides a second handhold to better support your rotary hammer while drilling. The grip is attached to a collar. When the grip is turned, the collar is tightened or loosened. It also locks the depth rod in place. Over time, the nut inside the grip can be stripped out from tightening and loosening. The grip can be broken if the tool is dropped. Replacing the grip is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old grip from the rotary hammer. The grip is threaded onto a bolt that runs through the collar. To remove it, I just unscrew it. If the old handle is stripped out, I'll also check the threads on the bolt to make sure that they're not damaged. They look good, so now I can install the new grip. I align it with the bolt and thread it into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the grip on your rotary hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.